Hey, welcome to an episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I have a product review installation and demo of the F3 LED headlight bulbs from Diamond Vision LED. Alright, so here is a close-up of the LED bulb. Each bulb is rated at 45 watts. It is using GXP LED chip. It is rated at 10,000 raw lumen and the color is 6500K. There is a fan in the back right here. It is rated at 12,000 RPM to keep the LEDs cool, so there might be some fan noise. It does have a small external LED driver, and the opposite end would be the plug that will plug into your stock wire harness. Okay, so I'm going to be installing this on my 2013 Honda Accord Coupe. This will take about 15 minutes to install both sides. First, go ahead and locate your low beam, follow that back. And here is the low beam bulb. And so go ahead and disconnect the wire harness by pushing on the black tab. Turn this counterclockwise. And then take the new LED, and you see those three little tabs. It has to correspond with the cutout on the headlight, so line those up. And then push down and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Once it's locked in, the wire should be facing straight down. And then take the LED connector, and one side is positive, one side is ground. And so you just have to match that up to the stock wire harness. And it's very easy to do. You just have to know that the black wire is going to be always ground. And so I'm going to go ahead and connect that side into negative. There you go. Now before I work on the other side, I want to verify that this works. Turn on the headlights, and there you go. As you can see, it does work. And here is the fan noise. And here's the color difference between the stock side and the new LED. And then I'm going to go ahead and work on the driver's side. It's exactly the same as the passenger side. I just need to stick my hand through here, and I can reach the wire harness and then the bulb. And then install the LED bulb, turn it, and then connect the LED to the stock wire harness. Okay, so both sides is swapped out to the F3 LED headlight bulbs from Diamond Vision LED. As you can see, the color is pure white and it matches the rest of my LEDs pretty well. And here is the light output and the cutoff. I'm currently parked 25 feet away from that container. The light output is 2.5 to 3 cars to the left and right. The color is pure white. The cutoff is relatively straight. There is a hot spot right in the middle. And here is the lux meeting from the center of the beam. One car to the left, and then 2 cars to the left, and above the cutoff. And this right here is the stock halogen bulb. This definitely does have a hot spot right in the middle. It does cover the length of the container as well, and it does slope down on that end as well. Right, so that's the reading with the stock halogen bulb right in the middle. It went up to 230, 232. And 1 car lane to the left, and then 2 cars to the left, and then right above the cutoff in the middle. Alright, so here is a nighttime driving demo of the F3 LED headlight bulbs from Diamond Vision LED. So far from all the bulbs I tested from Diamond Vision LED, this right here is the brightest one. The color is pure white, the beam pattern is pretty straight, and also it's pretty wide. 2.5 cars to the left, to the right. It is definitely brighter compared to stock. And as far as the fan noise goes, I'm not able to hear it when I'm driving. However, when I'm parked inside a garage without the radio on or anything, and I turn on the vehicle, I can definitely hear a humming sound. But once I'm on the road and driving, I can't hear it. Now, if you're in the market to upgrade your halogen bulb to an LED, give this a try. Out of all the bulbs I tested from Diamond Vision LED, this is the brightest one that they carry. Alright, so that completes the product review of the F3 LED headlight bulbs from Diamond Vision LED. I'll have the product link in the description below, so go check it out. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.